Hi, I'm Ricky from RCV Performance. We came down here to Mooresville, North Carolina to PAC Racing to get some much needed suspension and sway bar upgrades on our Jeep. We take this thing out on the trails, we drive it to events on the road, it gets a lot of double duty, and we need to make sure that everything's right, set up properly, and rides good, performs well. That's why we chose PAC Racing to make these changes for us and dial this suspension in.
Hey guys, this is Alan Hilliard from PAC Racing Springs. We're here with Ricky's Jeep today to replace the front and rear stock sway bars, and we're going to put a Trail Series off-roading sway bar kits on it. We're also going to do a Fox shock revalve in the back, so let's go ahead and get this thing on the lift. Now that we've got it up in the air, we're going to go ahead and start by taking the front sway bar off. Now that we've got the mounts and bar installed, we're going to go ahead and install the arms. That's it for the front. Now we're going to move around to the back and do it all over again.
Goose here at PAC Springs. We've got Ricky B from RCV in today. He's going out for Easter Jeep Safari. Those are a lot of letters in one sentence. Don't make me say it again. So, ride quality. He's already got a great shock package on this thing. He's got coilovers up front, Fox's 2.5s, piggybacks in the rear, and just complaining like, man, this thing's a little chattery on the highway. He's pulled a bunch of weight off, pulled off the rear tire carrier, aluminum armor, just kind of lighten this stuff up, which is the direction that a lot of JK guys are going. Nobody wants to be the big heavy trail pig. So doing a little revalving today, getting some ride complacency back in it, and getting this thing ready to do some trail riding.
Alright, we are tuned up, we got the sway bars installed, we got the Fox shocks modified by Goose, and we're ready to hit the trails. So we're headed out to Moab, Utah from here for Easter Jeep Safari, and going to go test out some suspension and test out some axles.